Hey y'all, Allison here. I'm part of the customer success team here at Hotjar. I'm going to give you a brief introduction into heat maps. Once you're on your heat map dashboard, you'll see a green plus new heat map button up at the top of the page. You'll start off by labeling your first heat map. Then the next step is to choose the total number of page views you'd like to collect in your heat map. That ranges from 1,000, 2,000, or 10,000 page views depending on which plan that you're on. From there, you can go into page targeting. You can choose to target a page, whether it's a specific page with a simple URL match. You can also visit one of multiple similar pages, or you can even trigger a heat map based off of a JavaScript snippet that you've added. Once you've selected your page targeting, we also have advanced options that include excluding elements from a particular heat map, or even taking a custom screenshot page URL, which you can plug in here at the advanced options. Once you've had all your settings, you can review them all, create your new heat map, and you're ready to get started to start collecting data. Happy hotjarring!